At one specific day, and it's like that for pretty much all of the state of Texas right now. Take a look at what's happening from Austin to Waco to Dallas. In fact, Dallas now seeing a few thunderstorms pick up and then moving out towards looks like Arkansas and Louisiana, right around the border there. You're able to see a few thunderstorms that have been starting to build, but overall, here comes the showers. This all Pacific moisture that's still flowing back in. We could see some isolated showers continue throughout the day today, but fog is still the name of the game this morning. Current temperatures right now, we're looking at 56 degrees in Fredericksburg, 54 in Mason, 58 in Austin, 61 in Bastrop, and getting 60 degrees in Rockdale and Cameron, San Marcos. You're at about 60 degrees. Pollen count keeping mold, elm, and cedar in the low categories with an upward trend on cedar and a downward trend on mold. Tonight, though, 62 degrees, but that's not what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about this number right here. Rain chances 80%. Thunderstorms are possible, strong thunderstorms, very possible, and the possibility of some severe weather out there for tonight. So I have our graph model. This is going to play out, and that way we get an idea of what to expect. Again, even as we get to about 6 p.m., notice how we start to see a few of those showers come in, but here it is. By 10:30, we could see some strong thunderstorms moving into San Saba, Mason, Llano, Fredericksburg. Laid out a couple of hours. By 1 a.m. we're still seeing them move through, and then here we go, it starts to push in by 6 a.m. now entering Georgetown, Round Rock, Dripping Springs, Blanco, and the metro. Played out to about 10 a.m. 11 a.m. now within the eastern counties. So a slow start. And then once it gets into the metro, moves a bit quicker. By the time we get to about 11 a.m., we're looking at LaGrange, Giddings, and then farther out towards the east. And that's pretty much it. By Thursday afternoon, you're going to get sunny skies out towards the hill country, a bit more cloud coverage as you get out towards the metro itself. So severe risk for today going into tomorrow. It's still there. We're within that category 1, which is a marginal category, meaning the chances are low, but they're still existent. Once we get to start getting into yellows, then we have to worry. Orange, definitely have to worry. Red, yeah, it's not going to be nice out there. So keep that in mind. Here's a look at some of the severe storm threats that we're looking at for tonight. The biggest concern is going to be hail and winds. I don't see flooding being the biggest issue, only because these are going to be quick. I mean, it's going to take overnight, right? But you saw the line and how it's just a bit thinner and it will move through. So we'll still get some street flooding or what we call nuisance flooding out there. But hail and winds are going to be the two that we're going to be concerned with. Winds could be up to 60 miles per hour. Tornado, very unlikely, but it's still on the list as well. Play this out just a bit more. This is a wider model, so you can see what's happening here. It's our NAM model. Notice how it just encompasses pretty much Dallas to Austin, down to San Antonio through San Angelo. This is Thursday at 5 a.m., but the heaviest showers and storms are within this one line. It starts to move out by 11 a.m., as I just mentioned, and then you get out towards the afternoon, and we're looking at clearer skies out there. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 68 for today, 71 for tomorrow. And remember that 80% is pretty much early in the morning. Once we get to the afternoon, it's done. By Friday, we're looking at 72 degrees. By Saturday, 74. And then Sunday, the dreaded day, 77 degrees. Hey, let's go ahead and take a look at weather patterns and why this is all happening with Tommy House.
Yeah, when you look at the 7-day forecast, you're seeing a lot of those 70s and maybe some 80s next Monday. I mean, it's possible. Here's why. We have that upper level low Freddie was talking to you about, providing some severe weather tonight through your Thursday. Let's play this out through the next few days. That's going to grab onto the polar jet stream in the northeast and get out of here. And then we'll have a zonal flow. It means no big dips or fluctuations in the jet stream, which means warmer temperatures and a nice little high pressure ridge will continue to build in. So that's in our forecast. Here's the high temperature trend. We're talking about 70 starting Thursday all the way through next Tuesday at least. We should be at 64. We could be 15 degrees above where we should be. Warmer than normal temperature trend 8 to 14 days out from now. And also February is also looking on the warm side. At least the first 2 weeks are. We'll see if we get any more shots of cold air, but it's looking unlikely at the moment. Will, Avery?
Tommy, thanks so much.